Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust a torque wrench. First, locate the locking mechanism, usually a knob at the end or a collar near the handle. Unlock it by turning or pulling it down. This action allows the handle to rotate freely, enabling you to set your desired torque value. Always ensure your wrench is clean before making any adjustments for accuracy. Now, let's set the torque value. You'll see a main scale and a micrometer scale. Rotate the handle until the 0 mark on the micrometer scale aligns with your desired major increment on the main scale, like 50 foot-pounds. Then, fine-tune by rotating the handle further until the micrometer scale's specific mark aligns with the main scale's center line, achieving your exact setting. Once your desired torque value is set, it's crucial to lock the handle securely. This prevents accidental changes during use. When applying torque, use a smooth, steady motion. You will hear and feel a distinct click when the preset torque is reached. Stop immediately after this click to avoid over-tightening, which can damage fasteners or components. For longevity and accuracy, always reset your torque wrench to its lowest setting after each use. This relieves tension on the internal spring, preserving its calibration. Store it in its original protective case, away from extreme temperatures or humidity. Never drop the wrench, as even a small impact can significantly affect its precision and require recalibration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.